Hello, today I'm going to share with you my year of thanks. It's going to help you be more creative, learn something new, be adventurous, and to appreciate the people that are around you. So let's get to it. Every year I do this to help inspire you, because these people and these things that I'm going to talk to you about have touched me within. So I'm going to share 5 goodies with you today. Number 1, the first thing that has touched me through this year is all of the photographers that have been on the Macro Photography Live Chat Show. I have to thank every single photographer that has been on the show for 2018. It has been amazing to have each one of these people on the show. This is where we talk about close-up, macro, and micro photography. And I'm going to name them off right now. A.D. Wheeler, Mike Motes, Don Komarachka, Alan Shapiro, Harold Ross, Sherry Miller, Peter Bartlett, Scott Norris, Rick Littlefield, and I am going to give you a little tidbit for 2019. We are starting out with Jackie Kramer. Very happy to have them on the show. Number 2, I'm going to share with you 2 books, and I must admit I did share this book last year, and I feel it's so important for you to really read this if your mind is going a mile a minute. And another thing that I feel that this book does for us creatives is help you get over the hump of worrying about what if. And I feel it's very important for us to help us go for what we want in life. You've got to read this book. It's amazing. The second book I want to share with you that I revisited because it's a very old book. And I used this when I first started my business journey. It's called Successful Promotion for Photographers. It's very old. But what's interesting to me is that I like to go back to my books. What I like about this book is that it gives you some great ideas to help market yourself and just think beyond just what everybody else is doing. So if you are thinking about becoming a business, I suggest that you definitely check out this book. Number 3, if you have problems writing, like I do, I cannot write at all. It is pretty bad. And I'm very insecure about my writing skills. But even if you are secure, there is this amazing course called Copy Cure, and you'll see it right here. I'm going to post it up here. Copy Cure is a great online course by Marie Forleo and Laura, and you really should definitely check it out if you're interested on writing and grabbing attention from your readers. That is a huge thing that I think you should learn. 4, I am so grateful for national parks and state parks, by the way. So in order to really get you to be adventurous, I really want to suggest for you to check out the national parks in the United States and the state parks in the United States. And if you're from a different country, come on over because it's amazing. I'll tell you my favorites. Now, most of you know I love to photograph deserts. So 2 of them top on my list is Joshua Tree National Park and, to tell you the truth, every single national park in Utah. You gotta check them out. The state park that I love is the poppy fields here in Southern California. They grow in the spring in the desert. They are absolutely gorgeous to see these beautiful flowers. If we have rain, come on over and check out the poppy fields over in California. The next California state park that I think you should check out is called Red Rock Canyon State Park in California. It is a desert, so don't go in the summer. But what's really cool about this area is the butts of the red rock. It's absolutely gorgeous, and there have been tons of westerns shot in that location. It's a great place to photograph. My fifth and most important thanks is to have family and friends. This year, I almost lost my husband. And I'm saying this to you now because in my heart, we live every single day, and sometimes, myself included, I don't appreciate things, or I'm upset with something. And I have to stop and say to myself that tomorrow may not come. And this may be deep, and that's why I've left it to the last part, because we love to photograph and capture those moments. Sometimes you got to put down the camera and be in the moment with whomever you're with. Just my little 5 tips to help you through the year. Check out the Macro Chat Show for inspiration. Read these books to really get you inspired and go for the goals that you want. Take a business class called Copy Cure to help express yourself. Check out those national and state parks if you ever come to the United States or if you are in California. And always enjoy your friends and your family. If you like this video, how about a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and if you have some time, let me know in the comments what you love to give thanks to. I'm Janice Sullivan from Sullivan J Photography, and I help you get up close and personal with your camera. Have a great day. Cheers. Thanks for watching, and if you have some time, let me down below. Oh my God, I can't spit it out.